A.
Silky B.
Jaiden, this is your N. No, I ain't copying a trend. I am dropping a diss track on you. You're a racist, and you know it's true. Always saying the N-word like I'm surprised. You are a person that doesn't deserve a life. I don't know why you're still alive. I think you should stop being racist, right? You are acting like Devin Zevero. You really can't be a hero. You need to just stop. You should get arrested by the cops. You will never make it to the top. First of all, stop being rude. You are so trash. You was being racist, now we ending you. You are so bad. You like the Carrot Top River, that thing is a piece of trash. You deserve 0 subs and that's what you're gonna have. Jaiden, this is your N. No, I ain't copying a trend. I am dropping a diss track on you. You're a racist and you know it's true.